Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted source for roof installation and replacement in Longmont, Colorado. We understand the importance of a sturdy roof, especially in our Colorado climate. Our team is dedicated to delivering top-notch craftsmanship and exceptional service on every project. Need a new roof? Receive a free estimate along with a free evaluation of your current roof. Whether you're looking to upgrade your roof or need a replacement, we've got you covered. With our expertise and quality materials, your home will be well protected for years to come. We strive to make the process as smooth as possible for you from start to finish. Navigating a claim from weather damage can be daunting. We remove the hassle and handle the process for you. Rest assured, we'll work closely with you to meet your specific needs and budget. Contact us today at 970-275-4012 to schedule your free consultation and estimate. Visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company for more information about our services. Trust our roofing professionals to provide reliable solutions for all your roofing needs. Let us take care of your roof so you can focus on what matters most. Experience the difference with our roofing experts, where quality meets affordability. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we guarantee a job well done every time. Choose Denny's Roofing for excellence in roofing services in Longmont.